Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make the follow button the primary action on your LinkedIn profile. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to manage your connections more efficiently or simply want to share your content with a wider audience without the need for direct connections. First, open LinkedIn.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your profile. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Click on Visibility from the options listed on the left side of the screen. Now scroll down to the Followers section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Make Follow Primary. This setting allows you to change the default button on your profile from Connect to Follow, making it easier for people to stay updated with your content without needing to send a connection request. To enable this feature, simply toggle the Make Follow Primary slider to Yes. Once you've done this, the Follow button will become the primary action on your profile. This means that when someone visits your profile, they will see a Follow button instead of Connect, allowing them to easily follow your posts without needing to connect with you directly. By making this change, you can expand your reach and engage with a broader audience on LinkedIn. It's especially helpful if you're managing a large number of requests or prefer to keep your connections more curated. With this simple update, you can ensure that your content is seen by those interested in your insights while maintaining control over who you connect with directly. That's it. With these easy steps, you can now make the Follow button the primary action on your LinkedIn profile. This feature is a great way to enhance your professional networking experience and share your ideas with a wider audience.